Hello everyone, it's James in Japan. You're looking at a sliding door that won't close. If you live in Japan and have a door, something like this, that won't close, here's the solution. Okay, so this is from the other side. Do you see the top plastic thing? There's a piece that's broken, and that is preventing the door from closing. So you need to replace this piece. How do you do it? Just grab your iPhone or smartphone and take a photo of it and then look it up on Amazon Japan, and you should be able to find the exact one. If you're not sure, or if you want to double check, you can unscrew it and check the model. This is what I ordered from Amazon Japan. It has the model number and the price is 1,212 yen. Okay, so you look here and then you look at my broken plastic. There is something missing here. This is a package from Amazon Japan. Let's open it. Ta-da! Here's the model number. I ordered white because it matches my door. You're going to need a Phillips screwdriver. Turn it counterclockwise. Once you remove the screws, you can go ahead and pry this off. You're going to take the small screw and put it through the center, like that. Okay, let's put it together. You need to place this plastic piece flush onto this, and then screw in the center. Now you insert the long screws on each side. Done. Now to test the door. See, it stops. But it's supposed to slide right in. So something's not right. I have removed the door and let's see the problem. Oh, there's the broken piece. That's what's blocking. So I need to remove that. Can you believe it? This little piece was the problem. I just realized that this roller thing should be forward, like that. Now it should work. This Japanese door uses a railing system, one at the bottom and at the top. You need to line the bottom wheel and the top wheel, the one that I shifted forward, on the railing. Okay, here is the final. Beautiful! That's how to do it, guys. Thanks for watching.